Question number 24. If P 23 and Q 25 are points on a graph, calculate the length of PQ. Solution. The distance between 2 points PQ is defined as the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. Here, x1 is 2, y1 is 3. The second point is x2 is 2, y2 is 5. So putting them into the formula, we have x2, which is equal to 2 minus x1, which is also 2. That is 2 minus 2 all squared, plus y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 3. That's 5 minus 3 all squared. And this will give us 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 squared is 0, plus 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. And this is equal to the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. So the length PQ is equal to 2 units. Question number 25. A bearing of 320 degrees expressed as a compass bearing is. Solution. Let us draw our compass. That's the horizontal line and the vertical line. This is the north and this is the south. Here is the west and this is the east. The bearing of 320 degrees is the angle measured from the vertical line in a clockwise direction. That's this angle is 320 degrees. So therefore, since the angle in a circle is 360 degrees, the remaining angle here will be 360 minus 320, and that will give us 40 degrees. So therefore, the compass bearing of the bearing 320 degrees is 40 degrees in the direction of northwest, and this is written as this: n 40 degrees W. Question number 26. Given that cos 30 degrees is equal to sin 60 degrees equals to root 3 over 2, and sin 30 degrees is equal to cos 60 degrees equals to 1 over 2, evaluate tan 60 degrees minus 1 divided by 1 minus tan 30 degrees. Solution. Let us draw a right angle triangle with this angle 30 degrees and this angle 60 degrees. Cos 30 is equal to sin 60 is equal to root 3 over 2. Okay, let us look at sin 60. Sin 60 is opposite over hypotenuse. The side opposite angle 60 here is this side. So this is root 3. And this is the hypotenuse side, which is equal to 2. Clearly, cos 30 is adjacent all over hypotenuse, which is also root 3 over 2. Also, cos 60 is 1 over 2. Cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. If this angle is 60 degrees, this is the adjacent side. So that means this side is 1, and this hypotenuse side, which is equal to 2. With this, we can now find tan 60 and tan 30 degrees. Here, tan 60 degrees is opposite over adjacent. That's root 3 all over 1, which is equal to root 3. And tan 30 degrees is opposite all over adjacent, which is 1 all over root 3. We can now put tan 60, which is root 3, and tan 30, which is 1 over root 3, into this expression. to obtain tan 60 degrees minus 1 all over 1 minus tan 30 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 all over 1 minus 1 all over root 3. And this will give us root 3 minus 1 divided by, the denominator here is root 3 minus 1 all over root 3. And this is equal to root 3 minus 1 times, inverting the denominator, will give us root 3 all over root 3 minus 1. Clearly, root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1 will cancel out, giving us root 3.
Number 27. A stationary boat is observed from a height of 100 meters. If the horizontal distance between the observer and the boat is 80 meters, calculate, correct to 2 decimal places, the angle of depression of the boat from the point of observation. Solution. Let this be the stationary boat, and this be a vertical pole, for instance. Then the distance of the stationary boat from the foot of the pole is 80 meters, and the height of the pole is 100 meters. Let this be the eye level of the observer, and this be the direction of view. Then the angle between the eye level and the direction of view is what we refer to as angle of depression, and let this angle be denoted by theta. Clearly, this line and this line are parallel lines. Hence, this angle is also equal to theta. Reason being that they are alternate angles. This is a right angle triangle. In this triangle, this side is opposite this angle, while this side is the adjacent. So therefore, tan theta is equal to opposite all over the adjacent. That is, tan theta is equal to 100 all over 80. 20 will cancel 80 to give us 4. It will cancel 100 to give us 5. So therefore, tan theta is equal to 5 all over 4, which is equal to 1.25. If tan theta is equal to 1.25, then theta is equal to arctan 1.25, which is approximately equal to 51.34 degrees to 2 decimal places. 28. The average age of a group of 25 girls is 10 years. If one girl aged 12 years and 4 months joins the group, find, correct to 1 decimal place, the new average age of the group. Solution. The total age of 25 girls is 25 times 10, which is equal to 250 years. If one girl aged 12 years and 4 months joins the group, we will now have altogether 26 girls. So therefore, the total age of 26 girls is therefore equal to 250 plus 12 years 4 months. Please note 4 months is equivalent to 4 all over 12 years, which is 1 all over 3 years. So 250 plus 12 and 1 over 3 years will give us 262 1 over 3 years. Therefore, the new average age of the 26 girls will be 262 and 1 over 3 divided by 26. And this is equal to 262.33 divided by 26, which is approximately equal to 10.1 years to 1 decimal place.